Have you ever considered the pivotal role that safety plays in our everyday lives? Imagine this for a moment. A world where safety measures are disregarded. Apocalyptic, isn't it? That's where the concept of LOTO, or Lockout tagout, comes into the picture. Picture a bustling factory, machines humming, gears whirring, and amidst all this, a maintenance worker is performing routine checks. Suddenly, an unexpected startup happens, leading to a safety incident. This is a real-life situation where LOTO could have been the hero of the day. LOTO, in essence, is a safety procedure used in industries and research settings to ensure that dangerous machines are properly shut off and not started up again prior to the completion of maintenance or repair work. It's like putting a lock on your diary to keep your secrets safe from prying eyes. Consider another scenario. You're at a theme park. The roller coaster ride is under maintenance. Wouldn't you appreciate a lock and tag system that prevents accidental startups, ensuring your safety? That's LOTO for you in a nutshell. But how does LOTO work? It's quite simple, really. The energy source of the machine or equipment is isolated and locked in an off or safe position. This lock can only be removed by the person who placed it once the work is complete. A tag is also attached, providing details about the lockout, such as who is responsible and why the lockout is in place. So what are the key takeaways about LOTO? First and foremost, it's essential in maintaining a safe work environment. It's a precautionary measure that protects workers from the unexpected release of hazardous energy. Second, it's not just about locking out the energy source. The tagging process is equally important. It provides vital information about the ongoing work and the person responsible for it. Third, LOTO is not a one-time thing. It's a recurring process that needs to be followed every time maintenance or repair work is carried out. And finally, it's not just an industrial concept. The underlying principle of LOTO can be applied to our daily lives as well. It's about taking a proactive step to safeguard ourselves and those around us, be it at work or home. LOTO might seem like a simple lock and tag, but its impact is profound. It's a testament to the age-old adage, prevention is better than cure. It's the unsung hero that ensures we return home safe to our loved ones, day after day. Safety is not just a word, it's a commitment, a responsibility. And LOTO? It's the embodiment of that commitment. It's the silent guardian that stands between safety and hazard, protecting us from the unseen dangers that lurk in the corners of our everyday lives. So the next time you see a lock and tag, remember, it's not just a piece of metal or a piece of paper. It's a symbol of safety, a beacon of protection, the unsung hero, LOTO.